Okay, now I am at the base of the waterfall, debating if we should go like behind it and get soaking wet. Oh, and by the way, it's 8 o'clock at night. Say hi, boo boo. Now we're going towards the base of the waterfall. We walk from there around to here. We're gonna get over there sooner or later. It's a little slippery, but it's friggin' insane. Just like follow that thing down. Huge. Bang, right into the water. Okay, now we're actually behind the waterfall. I hope you can see this, but we're behind the waterfall. It's friggin' out of hand. Went around, came down over there. There's Catherine. Yeah, so now I'm not sure how we get out. If we go back the same way or not, so. But this is, I've never done this before. It's just insane.